Hey everyone, Scott J. Way from Crucible Custom Props, Nerfworks Lab on the forums here. So today we have something I haven't done in a while, which is one of these Trooper Trent remote kits. This was one of the old ones where it's not the buy your own ball kit. It was the guy had it for quite a while but never got around to doing it. So he sent it to me to do. And here it is. And I did my Falcon base with it, with his complete styrene panels and weathered and everything. Here it is floating. Pretty cool. You've seen these before, but I haven't done one of these in, it's been a while. But this is a kitchen counter thing, as I just needed to test it. So this is kitchen counter video. But here it is. So yeah, working out pretty awesome. It's going to be a short video, not really much to talk about. Trooper Trent's kit is great. If you do the buy your own ball kit, which I think is all he offers right now, is you get the little globe in the base, your choice of globe or base on Amazon, and he sends you the kit with all the pieces, all of the 3D printed pieces. And he has a wonderful tutorial, step by step, on how to complete the ball, where everything goes, using the jigs and the templates for getting everything in the exact right place. The only thing I don't do is I don't use his adhesive red sticker things in here. So I mix the paint myself and hand paint the red like it was in the original prop. And I use pencil to outline the pieces instead of the Molotow pen. And I do paint these things last, hand paint them like the original prop would have been. But in his instructions, he leaves these 3D printed and puts them on last because they're the same color. Yeah, so here it is. But yeah, these can be done. You can get the kit from Trooper Trent and do it yourself. The Falcon base is just something I do. I like to do it. I think it's cool, and some people have requested it. So that's not too, not something that's normal. Normally it's just a black base, which works fine. You have options for lighting. There's a little touchpad right here. Typically it's off, the base on, the ball on, or the ball and base. The base looks kind of like a Falcon with this, like the Falcon's engine signature. So that's kind of why I did that. But anyway, here it is, looking pretty cool. Yeah, so get you a kit and make it yourself. All right, pretty awesome. Thanks for watching.